Hello everyone. Thanks again for tuning into my channel. We have another wig try on today and it is from ILIKEHAIR.com. The link for this unit will be down below, but let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. It does include a pack of wig caps, a rat tail comb with a metal end, a melting band, an edge brush, and some clips in this little baggie, which is always helpful. And this unit does come with an elastic band, which is removable, which is nice if you want to wear the unit with or without one. So let's go ahead and get into the wig details. So this is the wig, you guys. It is a Kinky Coily Curly unit from ILIKEHAIR.com. The inch and all the specifics will be down below in the description box, but here is the hair texture, you guys. It is very beautiful, and this is straight out of the bag. So you can see there are some defined curls in there, but we are going to bring out those curls, make them a little bit more juicier and more defined. But this is a cap construction. I believe this is a 13x4, but like I said, the details will be down below. And this unit does have kinky edges. So yes, this wig has 4 combs on the inside, 2 on the side, 1 in the nape, and 1 behind the lace front. Basic cap construction. It is constructed very well, you guys. And these edges are amazing. It is by far the best thing that ILIKEHAIR could have put on their units. Is going to make it look like this wig is growing out of your scalp, because of course you know our edges aren't always perfectly straight. So this is really going to make your hair, it's going to look like your hair. So here's a close-up of the hairline again, and it is HD lace, but it's constructed really nice. Like, I'm loving it. So let's go ahead and throw this unit on. So at first I was like, okay, these edges are super kinky, but it is cute. I was feeling it. I'm not going to flat iron or straighten the edges at all because I want you guys to get the real look of it, but we'll get into that later. So this is how the wig falls as far as the length on me, but it does depend on like how long your neck is and things like that, how it will fall on you. But here is the close-up of the edges once again. It looks super realistic already, and I haven't even cut the lace yet. Really nice 4C edges. This is really going to look like my hair. I cannot wait. So here's another deep dive on how the curls look. These look like really naturally growing curls, if you know what I mean. It doesn't look super processed, which I love. And the hair is super bouncy as well. So let's go ahead and take the wig off, and I'm just going to tint the lace with a little bit of concealer powder. That's just a few shades darker than my skin tone. That always seems to work for me, and that is a powder and not a liquid. That just works better for me. So as you can see, it doesn't have that white haze like it did before. It's really blending in with my skin as well. And like I said, this will be installed as a glueless unit. So let's go ahead and cut the lace off this unit. I am still using that zigzag pattern just to make it a little bit less detectable. So I'm just cutting exactly how the hairline goes on the wig. So I have decided to do a middle part this time, but at the end of the video, stay tuned. I am going to show you guys how it looks with the middle part as well, because I am a middle part girl, but I did want to try this one on the side. So as you can see, you can clearly see my cap. This is definitely HD lace, but it doesn't appear as if the knots have been bleached. So you may want to bleach the knots on this unit if you like that look. If not, it is not required. So I am going to just press this down a little bit just to get rid of the bulkiness, but I am being careful to stay away from the actual 4C edges so that texture can be intact. So right now I'm just spraying a little bit of water on this unit. Now my recommendation with this unit is to actually wash this unit, wash, condition, and let it air dry. But for the sake of the video, I'm just going to spray it down just as if you guys would if you needed to wear it straight out of the bag. So I'm adding some Olive Miracle leave-in conditioner and some hair gel, Eco Styler hair gel, just to help define these curls. I did add a generous amount of water to this unit, and this is how it is looking after defining the curls a little bit, and it's looking really, really nice. Of course, you can keep it this way, but I like a slightly dried curl look. But it's giving body. It is lightweight. I love how lightweight this unit is. Right now, I'm just putting a little bit of leave-in conditioner on the edges because they were a bit hard. It just felt like they needed a little bit of softening up with some conditioner, and that made it so much better. And you guys, be sure to brush out the edges. I mean, you can definitely keep them in the same texture, but I prefer brushing them straight back. And look how good this looks. This looks so good. It looks super like hyper realistic, guys. It looks so realistic. So if you do see a little bit of white haze on the lace, because this is glueless, if you do see that, just brush a little bit more of your concealer powder on there and it will disappear. So right now I'm just putting a little bit of my Fit Me foundation stick on my part. This is the color Toffee I am using, but I flip-flop between Toffee and Coconut, or sometimes I mix them together. But this is how it's looking, you guys. Definitely do the ball cap method if you don't want that cap to show through, because like I said, this lace is HD. But those edges are looking great. It's looking like my own hair. But wait, I am definitely going to diffuse this wig. Like I said, I do like a little bit of the dried curl look, so I'm going to diffuse this wig and I'll be right back with the finished product. So here is the finished product. Look at this unit. I'm so excited about how realistic this looks. This is perfect for my natural girls that just want some protective style, or relaxed girls, because I'm relaxed. Protective styles too, and this is perfect, especially for the summertime, for those hot days. And look how these curls came out. I feel like they look a little bit more realistic and believable once you diffuse them, but you can definitely let them air dry as well if you don't have a diffuser. But look at this. No one will ever know, like wig wear, no one will ever know this is not my hair. And that's how it's supposed to be. That's how it's supposed to be. So let's go ahead and create the middle part for this unit, just to show you guys what it would look like if you are strictly a middle part girl. I am a middle part girl, but I was really feeling that side part. So let's go ahead and do the same thing, do the same process with the side part, and I will once again come back with the finished product. All right, you guys, so here's the finished product with the middle part. I believe this is the most affordable, best realistic kinky curly wig out there. It does come in different lengths, and just look at this. I can literally take this off at the end of the day, go to sleep, and throw it back on tomorrow, and I don't even need to glue this down. This is the best, really the best option if you really don't wear your wigs for a long period of time like me. No one will ever know. This is the perfect everyday work wig or going out on the weekends. It's just so super perfect. So thank you, ILIKEHAIR.com. All the links in the description box, and drop a like, comment, and be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, you guys. Till next time. Bye.